Welcome back to another episode of the New Motorcycle Riders Podcast. On today's episode, we are going to talk about motorcycle insurance. If you ride a motorcycle, then you're going to need motorcycle insurance. It is one of those necessary evil situations. There are, however, things you can do to get the best deal on it. In order to find the cheapest motorcycle insurance, follow these steps. 1. Compare quotes online. Use comparison websites to get multiple quotes from different insurers. Some popular sites include thezebracompare.com, insure.com. Progressive and Geico often provide competitive rates for motorcycle insurance. 2. Consider different coverage levels. Opting for the minimum required coverage in your state will lower your premium, but make sure it provides adequate protection. Consider the following. Liability only, covers damages and injuries to others, but not your own bike. Comprehensive and collision, more expensive, but covers theft, vandalism, and accidents involving your bike. Uninsured/underinsured motorist, protects you if the other driver lacks sufficient coverage. 3. Look for discounts. Many insurers offer discounts, such as multi-policy discount, bundle with car or home insurance. Safety course discount. Completing a motorcycle safety course can lower rates. Good rider discount, for riders with no claims or accidents. Loyalty and renewal discounts. Some companies offer discounts for long-term customers. 4. Choose a higher deductible. Increasing your deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in, can lower your premium. Just make sure you can afford the deductible in case of a claim. 5. Maintain a good riding record. A clean riding history with no accidents or violations will help you get better rates. 6. Consider your bike type. Sport bikes and high-performance motorcycles generally have higher insurance premiums due to increased risk. Cruisers, touring bikes, or smaller engine motorcycles usually cost less to insure. 7. Pay annually instead of monthly. Some insurers offer discounts for paying the annual premium in full rather than monthly payments. 8. Ask about seasonal or layup policies. If you only ride during certain seasons, ask about layup policies that provide comprehensive coverage while your bike is stored, but suspend liability and collision coverage. 9. Check with local and niche insurers. Sometimes smaller or regional insurance companies offer better rates than national brands. It's worth checking with local providers. 10. Get recommendations and reviews. Ask fellow riders for recommendations, especially from those with a similar bike type or riding style. Online forums and motorcycle clubs can be great resources also. Thank you again for joining us on the New Motorcycle Riders Podcast. Please like and subscribe to our channel and leave a review or comment. We would love to hear from you.